Hi, this is Alex from MovinsEdition. It's a new product from the MovinsEdition. It's from Sperry Topsider AO Lug Chukka boots. Sperry Topsider, the iconic nautical brand famous for inventing the original boat shoe, introduces weatherproof additions to its lineup. Crafted from the ground up with the best materials and a discerning eye for detail, the Sperry Chukka boots features lug construction, premium leather uppers, and lightweight Asia midsoles that enhances shock absorption for added comfort. The Sperry Chukka boots is created with non-marking rubber lug outsoles. Especially, this Sperry Chukka boots model is a model that uses a friction-resistant rug on the cowhide shell, and it is a premium product among the Sperry products, and is a popular product that boasts strong durability. More comfortable shoes than shoes, Sperry Chukka boots. Sperry Chukka boots is designed to keep you steady, comfortable, and stylish wherever your journey takes you. Sperry Chukka boots' carefully crafted designs feature waterproof, seam-sealed construction, non-marking rubber outsoles, heavy lugs and wave siping, trademark for the ultimate in-wet-dry protection and traction, plus rawhide laces, premium leather accents, and genuine, hand-sewn details for unbeatable charm. Classic Sperry styling ensures our men's Chukka boots will help you handle any endeavor with confidence. This is the new product that only contains one product introduced by MovinsEdition. Sperry Topsider AO Lug Chukka boots. More comfortable shoes than shoes, Sperry Chukka boots. In particular, the Sperry Chukka boots model is a product that uses friction-resistant rugs on cowhide shell, and it was a popular item with high durability as a premium product. Bye.